runway 31, correction 13 right, Delta Foxtrot 1 Echo, flight level 130, squawk 6763, wind airborne 134.6 with approach.
Runway 13 right, clear to destination Echo Hotel Bravo Kilo via Delta Foxtrot 1 Echo. Initial level 130, squawk 6763 and departure frequency 134.6 by Georgia 803.
Read correct.
Okay, ground cockpit. Confirm while steering plane is inserted. May I pressurize hydraulic power? And may I release the parking brake? Hydraulic power pressurized. Hydraulic pressurized. Okay, parking brake is released. We may start push facing to release. Okay, before start, checklist please.
Before start, checklist. Vegan.
Mobiles off. Begin on.
Brake pressure.
One pump press check.
Parking brake.
Released.
Start levels.
Cut off.
ADP number 1.
On.
Fuel panel.
6 of stop.
Pressurization.
7 of
Back valves.
closed.
Back pressure.
38 psi.
Doors.
All closed.
Prop is on. Mobiles.
Off.
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 Takeoff EPR.
158.
Set. 158.
158.
Transported out of before start checklist open.
Thank you.
0815.
Go ahead. Okay, sequence 4, 3, 2, 1. Roger. Number 4 engine start, please. Max
24.
CGT 600.
Interpretation.
And 2.
Check.
Low pressure.
And 1.
Check.
Maximum time.
Fuel on.
Fuel flow.
Check.
So right side is clear, cabin secure.
Received.
After start checklist complete.
Okay, let's check the flight controls and we can start.
20 degrees.
Ready?
Ready.
Alright, elevator. Pull down,
2 down.
neutral,
Neutral.
pull up,
2 up.
neutral,
Neutral.
either on full left,
Left up, right 1 down.
neutral,
Neutral.
full right,
Right up, left 1 down.
neutral,
Neutral.
Ready for rudder?
Ready.
Full left.
2 left.
Neutral.
Neutral.
Full right.
2 right.
Neutral.
Neutral.
Okay, request taxi and taxi checklist please.
This tower, Sky Georgia 803.
Taxi lights on, left side is clear.
Right is
Commencing taxi.
Okay. Taxi checklist. Flaps.
2020 green.
Flight controls.
Check.
Checked.
Stop trim.
005.
Green band.
Nose middle lights out.
Flight instruments.
Check.
Checked.
Check. Auto brake echo switch.
Art.
APU off. ATP check. Brake check. Check is complete.
Okay, before takeoff, set up a checklist down to the line, please.
Takeoff checklist. Takeoff briefing.
Review.
Review.
Strobe lights.
On.
Fuel plan set for takeoff. Air conditioning utilization. Ignition. Fly start. Pack wells. Closed. Transponder.
138 grade above. Right side is clear.
Left side is clear.
Annunciator lights.
Check.
Check no lights.
Check. Standby for body steering.
Down on this way. Going to make right 180 inbound engines around N140 and we will let one engine number 1 thrust during total. And runway slippery tube. So with the inbound engines. Yes, very much.
Okay, before takeoff checklist below the line, please.
For the gear steering.
Disarm, please.
Checklist complete.
Thank you.
Georgia 03, runway 13 right, clear for takeoff, wind 160 degrees 7 knots, 0 depend.
Runway 13 right, clear to takeoff, Sky Georgia 803, Marlova.
Okay, lights on, time on, and 1.2 PPR. Stabilize. Set takeoff.
Translate.
Thank you.
Speed alive.
First check.
18 knots.
I have full control.
V1.
Go.
Rotate. Accelerate. Drop. Drop.
Just hold.
That's what engaged. Hold on, wait.
Now go.
Now engaged. So now what you must have the 8 up to the
Gear up lights out.
Tbilisi Gamajoba, Sky Georgia 803 after airborne on Delta Foxtrot 1 Echo, climbing level 130.
Gamajoba, Lima 803, Tbilisi approach identified, continue climb flight level 190.
Continue climb, fly level 190, Sky Georgia 803.
Plan, follow 190.
190 shoot.
Hello.
Our flight engineer. Boeing 747 Classic, legendary aircraft. Very excited. Boeing 747 Classic is working around the world at this time. I think 8 of them is flying. So we are the one of us, luckiest pilots to be the 8,500 feet over the Nero in the flight legendary aircraft. Well, thank you for you guys. I hope you enjoy the view. Have a nice flight.
Ready, yeah?
Yeah.
Geo-Sky, Georgia 803, ready for departure. Runway 13 right, clear to takeoff, Sky, Georgia 803.
Okay, lights on, time on, and 1.2 PPR. Stabilize. Set takeoff. Thrust base. Thank you.
Speed alive.
Cross check.
80 knots.
I have control.
Zero full control. V1.
Go.
Rotate. Positive rate.
Gear up.
Gear up.
Yes, hold.
Nice, hold engaged.
Bravo.
Sound engaged. So I'm going to do this guy. Go to 803 up to telephone and Delta Fox 1 Echo climb over 1. Gear up, let's go. Climb, follow 190 set. 190 set.
190 shoot. 1,000 feet flying thrust, please. Engine icing situation. Stairs off.
That's all.
3000 for the AGL, vertical speed, please.
Alright.
And 1000.
1000. Speed checked. Let's then select it. What's that then? Speed check. Plus 5 selected.
Speed box 2, 5
Maneuvering is 258. 587. Checked, flex up selected.
Very nice.
Approaching 10,000.
Please now. Also, please.
Right.
Autopilot being on. Open the screen.
Weather radar and terrain is off.
Okay, approaching transition, QNH 1013. After takeoff checklist below the line.